going to discuss the concept of representation of a rational number on a number line. To represent a rational number on a number line, the first thing we have to check whether the number is negative or positive. If the number is positive, it will be on the right side of the 0, and if the number is negative, it will be on the left side of the 0. For example, if I have a number line like this is 0, 1, 2, 3, this will be -1, -2, -3. So we can see the positive numbers are on the right side of the 0 and the negative numbers are on the left side of the 0. Now suppose I have to represent 3 by 4 on a number line. That means this number is a positive number, so it will be on the right of 0, and I see that the number is greater than 0 but it is less than 1. That means it will lie somewhere between 0 and 1. Now to find where it will lie, for this I will take the denominator. As the denominator is 4, so I will divide the part of 0 and 1, the gap of 0 and 1 into 4 parts. So it will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this first part will represent 1 upon 4, second part will represent 2 upon 4, and the third part will represent 3 on 4. That means 3 by 4 can be represented on a number line by dividing the division between 0 and 1. To discuss again, let us what I have done, I have taken as 4 is the denominator, so I will divide 0 and 1 into 4 parts. Then I will count the parts. That means this is 1 by 4, this is 2 by 4, this is 3 by 4, and I will plot the number 3 by 4. Now suppose I have to plot a number like suppose I have a number 5 by 3. Now we see that 5 by 3 is a number which is greater than 1, or it is an improper fraction, or we can write it in the mixed fraction as 1, 2 by 3. That means this number will be more than 1, but this number will be less than 2. So what we will do for this, I will take a number line. As it is positive, so this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. The number is greater than 1 but less than 2, and it is a positive number, so it will be on the right of 0. Now I have denominator as 3, so I will divide it 0 and 1 into 3 parts. This is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. Then again from 1 to 2 I will divide it into 3 parts. So this number will be, so we can say as the number is between 1 and 2, either we can start from this point, that is 0 to 2 are total 6 divisions and I will take 5, or we can say as the number is between 1 and 2, I will count the divisions between 1 and 2. So this is 1, this 1 can be represented as 3 by 3, and this will be 4 by 3, this will be 5 by 3, and this will be 6 by 3, because 6 by 3 is, when it is simplified, it will come out to be 2, so the number will be 5. To sum up, we can say that if we have a number that is to be represented on a number line, the first thing we will see whether the number is negative or positive. If the number is positive, it will be on the right side of the 0, and if the number is negative, it will be on the left side of the 0. As I have a number 3 by 4 and I see that it is positive, it will be on the right side of 0. The next step will be to check the number where it will lie, as it is greater than 0 but it is less than 1, so it will lie between 0 and 1. So I will divide the division of 0 and 1 into 4 parts, because the denominator is 4. So it will be 1, I have taken the 3 divisions and there will be 4 parts. So it is 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and then 1. So I found 3 by 4 on the number line. Similarly, if I have a number 5 by 3 and I have to plot it on a number line, one way of doing it is to, as I know this number is greater than 1 and it will be less than 2. So I will divide the area between 0 and 2 into divisions of 3, 3. So it will be 1 by 3, this will be 2 by 3, this is 3 by 3, or we can say 1, it is 4 by 3, it is 5 by 3, and then I get 2, which is 6 by 3, and I have to plot 5 by 3, so I will mark this point as 5 by 3. So this is how we can plot a number on a number line.